UHome series is an all-in-one energy storage solution from Upower Electric that integrates the inverter, battery charger, UPS and battery into a pre-wired modular system, which makes installation easier and faster. There are multiple power output levels available, ranging between 3 to 8 kilowatts, giving you a lot of flexibility to choose from. Equipped with 2 MPP trackers, the inverter provides a high conversion efficiency of 97.6%. Less than 20 milliseconds of switching time from on-grid to UPS mode makes power outages unnoticeable, ensuring a stable energy supply when the grid is gone. Our modular design supports a maximum of 6 batteries, with capacity ranges from 5 to 30 kilowatt hours. You can choose a flexible battery capacity based on the actual load and electricity demand in your household. We know accessibility is important for our customers, and that is why our product comes with multiple monitoring ways of the power, battery capacity and consumption in real time. Available on both smartphones and computers through wireless internet access. With the IP65 design, you can install the product both indoors and outdoors. Under 35 decibels noise level ensures the unit can be placed anywhere indoors. The UHome series is equipped with an LFP battery cell, which is safer, has longer operation life and a wider operation temperature range compared to other lead acid or lithium batteries. Our product has passed extensive testing and has earned multiple certifications which comply with the safety standards of the IEC and EMC. Upower Electric is a leading manufacturer of advanced energy solutions. Our products are being used in both residential and commercial markets in over 30 countries across the globe.